Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I have a really short Hobby Lobby haul for you guys. I needed to go get some more white cardstock to print on because I've been printing my new collections like crazy. So I needed to re-up on some paper. And sadly, the Paper Studio was not on sale. So this week, it should be on sale, you guys. The lady at the register did say that I can get a price adjustment as long as I bring my receipt and the item back, that they can honor that price for me. So I don't know, I may do that, I may not, I don't know. But this is the 80-pound cardstock, okay? This one is not the, this is heavyweight, but it's not extra heavyweight. So it says heavyweight because one time I did get the wrong one. I wanted to go ahead and print my digitals on the 80-pound instead of the 110 because some of it has been like way too heavyweight for me. But I do like printing it on there. So I want to have both options. So I grabbed that. This is regularly $11.99. You get 100 sheets. And then I grabbed this big boy. This is the extra heavyweight. So this one is 110-pound cardstock, 100 sheets, and then $21.99. So I need to try to get that price adjustment just so I can feel like, you know, I didn't do too bad. And then I did pick up just a few little things. Not a lot, just stuff that, you know, that I didn't grab before. So I grabbed some of these cold transfer sheets in the conversation hearts, and it comes in all these pretty pastel colors. And then I grabbed this one for the keychains. It's the pastel color one. So there's like XO with hearts. This one says be mine. Little cluster of hearts. This one is actually white. I thought that one was cool. Just a bunch of white hearts with sentiments, hug me, love, kisses. And then we got the conversation hearts and the XOXO. And these were $3.49, but you get 40%. I think they're 40% off, or maybe 50. I can't remember. I grabbed these stickers. I did show these in my walkthrough. I didn't grab them. I thought they would go well with some of the things that I'm working with, so I snatched it. Really cute little stickers, you guys. I'm trying not to show the glare. But I grabbed two of those, $3.49 regularly priced, but with a discount. And then these $2.79, these were running out. There was only one left of this one. So I decided to grab the cherries with the bows. And then I think these are for bookmarks. And I don't know if I grabbed the bookmarks, but I wanted to get the acrylic bookmarks. And then this is another one, another design. This is for the circle one. So it's a perfect circle and they coordinate with the keychain perfectly. And they give you the skew and everything, guys. So that's cool. Look at that bow. So there was two of those. I grabbed two. I did get the acrylic blank. Yay. So this is the bookmarks. It's a 6-piece set. None of these were on sale, but they're really affordable. You know, I'm surprised at the price. And then this was new to me. I haven't seen these colors, so I thought they were beautiful. My mom, she loves purple. And so I want to make her a keychain. So these are pastel translucent. And you know what? It was the last one. I hate that the hardware is silver, but I feel like I can change that to gold. But I think my mom likes silver. I don't know. But yeah, these are pretty, guys. Grab a couple of these. If I see some more, I'm gonna have to get some more. But that's it, guys. A really short and sweet Hobby Lobby haul. This stuff did add up because of the paper. It ended up costing me $60, and I don't even understand how. But all this stuff was on sale. All the Valentine stuff, you know, all this was pretty affordable. It was just the paper that got me up there. So I will be going to Hobby Lobby this week, hopefully. And I will try to get some of my money back and grab some more of this cardstock so I don't have to step foot in there for a while, guys. I've been doing a really good job of staying away. But now, I don't know if I could say that. I think I still have, because you guys know I used to go crazy in the stores. So I'm super proud of myself. But how cute is this? I kind of want to put this, I want to see how this looks on here. Which one is the one that has it? This one. Yeah, these are all for the bookmarks. I didn't realize that. Okay, let's see. I kind of like the cherry one. Oh, look at this one though. I like how this bookmark is like domed. You know, it's curved on the top. So you got to take the stuff off. You know, I have so much vinyl and, well, I don't have a lot of vinyl. But I have more than enough to play with, and I really don't find myself using it like I should. This one's so pretty. So you can definitely use your Cricuts, use your silhouettes, and cut, you know, your vinyl and do this. I don't even know how to do this, guys. I think you gotta like be perfect and line it up. That's gonna be the hard part. I'll try to line it up on the hole. Don't look, you're gonna make me nervous. Oh, oh no, you see that? What did I do? I have a squeegee thing that I barely ever use. It's gonna have to go right there, guys, because I already started it. Dang. This design is so big. I should have started off with a baby design. Let me get my little squeegee that I never use from Temu. So I can feel like one of the vinyl girls. But yeah, I have so much vinyl stuff. I need to start using that stuff more. So pretty. And then you can put your yarn or strings on top. Oh, that's so cool. No, what happened right here? That one cracked. Let me be a little more careful. This is a really like intricate design, I feel like. So yeah, that didn't come out perfect, but perfect enough. Isn't that pretty? This is gonna go in my journals. And then don't forget to take the film off the back. And is this too big? It's probably too fat. Let's see. It's probably way too thick. But is that gonna stop me from trying? No. There we go. Yes. Isn't that pretty, guys? I wonder if that's too much on top. Probably. Look how pretty. And then I'm gonna find some yarn in my stash. Some, you know, this stuff, fabric in my stash. And I'll tie another bow right here, and I think it'll look perfect, and add some beads. Let me cut this, because it's gonna bug me. These are cute. I need to find some more of these bookmark ones. I love it. I'm trying to see, guys, what yarn I have to match this. You know what? I have this ribbon, and I feel like it'll match it more. Yeah, let's take this out. And this is a thickums too, so just use your tweezers. You just gotta get a little bit in there. As long as you get a little bit, you can pull the rest. This is gonna match much better, but I really like the texture of the other one. Like, it's really soft, you know? This might be too thick. Can we get it through, guys? I think it's too thick. I don't want to break the damn acrylic. All right, that's not gonna go. Let's put this back in there. I can tie a bow with that one, I guess. How did this turn into this, guys? It's supposed to be a short haul. But I really want to try these bookmarks. They're beautiful. Go grab some, guys. I'm definitely gonna have to go get at least 2 or 3 more packs. They're really affordable. 6 for, it's not that many in a pack, 6. But I think that's more than enough. See what happens on the ends? You have to make sure that you light these, because they will fray on you. Okay, but we have that. You can always turn your fabric or your ribbon to how you want it. Trying to see what side to use. So pretty. I love this design. I'm so sad that cracked right there. I don't know how that happened. All right, but there goes a cute little bow that I need to put a center to. Let me tie some cord on here. I think it'll add something extra, and it's gonna tame this down for me. I'm gonna double tie it. Okay. Let me cut a tiniest strip of this for my center of my bow. This is me deciding what side to use. Ooh, those rubber bands snap so quick. You have to be very quick and make sure you got a good hold on them. Okay. I really could just pull that out. Isn't that pretty? That's cute, guys. Can you see? Was I not in frame all that time? I don't know how I'm loving this string, though. Maybe I should take the string off. It's bugging me. I wonder if you can stick like another vinyl on there, because it would be cute to put a letter on here. You know, even if you have die cut, you can use your dies and you can die cut a letter here with vinyl. Let me try this string. And let me do a couple of them. Is everyone done with crafting for Valentine's Day? I know everyone always finishes super early. I don't want to let it go. I'm not ready for spring crafting. I'm not ready. Let's keep the love going. Even that's cute. Anyways, you guys get the point, right? Like, that I'm trying to do. It's not really coming out like I want it. I'm not loving that string either. But anyways, you guys get the idea. You can go, and I want to do some beads right here. But look at how pretty that came out. I really like it. So hopefully that gives you guys a little idea of what to do with those bookmarks. I love you guys. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.